I've been creating videos on YouTube for a long time now, so much so that I'm familiar with all of the depressing thoughts that one can have when looking at your metrics and looking at what you want your metrics to be. And there's one thing that I've discovered that has really helped me moving forward as a creator. And I'm not gonna make you wait around until the end of it. It's about looking at actions instead of looking at results. Let's talk more about that. It's immensely easy for you to look at the number that's right next to your channel name. It's crazy easy for you to follow along with how many views something gets versus how your video did last week. We all do it even a little bit subconsciously. And that can be discouraging sometimes because this is a number that's very difficult for you to influence. Of course, there's always going to be the argument that just make better content or just make more relevant content. But I think that the danger in that is that you're going to get away from the content that you want to make. And that's why looking at actions instead of results, I think has helped me so much recently, because I'm more focused on what can I do that will make me feel better about what I am putting out into the world. Instead of focusing on, I'm going to get this many subscribers this week, I'm going to get this many views, this many likes, comments, so on and so forth. I can focus on, I'm going to put out this video, I'm going to put it on these different platforms, and I'm going to comment on these different YouTube videos that I've seen of people that I really admire. I'm going to focus on engaging with my community on Twitter. Even if no one is talking about my content, people are talking about things that you're interested in. My advice to someone that is just starting out or is feeling discouraged is to take a step back. Look at what you've accomplished. Look at what you have done. Your actions speak way louder than the results that anyone is gonna get. There's no guarantee for success here. There's no recipe. There are absolutely things that you can do to better position your channel, and I'm happy to share them with you, but I won't be doing that in this video. But I think that the more important thing is to make sure that you are well in your head. The more you obsess over these analytics and obsess over the optimization of your YouTube videos and the positioning and so on and so forth, the less you're gonna think about the actual quality of the product that you wanna put out there, or thinking about the product itself. This isn't a sermon or a guru telling you what you can do to feel better about yourself. I don't know what you can do to feel better about yourself. All I know is what has worked for me and what could potentially work for other people, but it's not guaranteed to. Focus on the small steps that you can make. If your goal is to put out a video every week and that seems like a really daunting task, then think about just the small little efforts that you can add up that will eventually turn into that. Maybe you can set aside just 5 minutes each day to write things down, just to get your thoughts out about one little thing or a bunch of things. Those 5 minutes just organizing your thoughts are gonna be way better spent than 5 minutes obsessing over why a video didn't get the amount of likes that you wanted. One technique that has helped me in the past is just making sure that every day I'm gonna leave 1 comment, 2 comments on my friends' videos, or even just a video out there that is bumping and I really like. This isn't about being self-serving and promotional for your own content. It's about letting people know that you appreciate the efforts that they've made and spreading that positivity around. And that's something you can track. You can definitely track, all right, great, I'm commenting a lot more than I used to, and I'm putting out a lot more videos than I did previously, if you're thinking about setting that as a goal. Getting yourself in the right headspace for this is incredibly difficult. I'm still gonna struggle with it in the future, just as I've struggled with it in the past. But it's important to remind ourselves in times like these that there's always a different way you can look at things. I'm sure some of you can be afraid of losing your edge. I definitely have thought about that too, but some of these things are gonna come in waves. I've gotten into that flow state before where I don't give a crap about all the analytics that are coming my way, and I'm just thinking about working on what I wanna put out there. So hopefully some of this was helpful for you. I tried to stop rambling as much as I possibly could. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below or hit the like button. Subscribing to me is always going to help. And if you're feeling especially generous, I do have a Patreon that I've listed down below for $5 a month. There's a podcast that I'm working on, secret for the Patreon folks. And of course, I'd love to give a behind the scenes look at all the stuff that I do here at Slacker Stuff. So thank you very much. And without further ado, I will see you next time.